Velvet D-League Basketball Liga 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 Liga. Velvet D-League Basketball Liga 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 Liga. Velvet D-League Basketball Liga 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 Liga. Velvet D-League Basketball Liga 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 Liga.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, tumilay up nang hindi ka po. Mga moves na pang-hoops ng lupet, mutas-mut, pasok sa galawang panika na ikaw ang bida.
Velvet D-League Basketball Liga 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 Liga. 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 Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing, na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw. Sintaas ng bola pag hinagis kakasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid. Baka may umagaw, pasa mo sa gilid. Titira ng tres, walang sasabay. Babaan lahat, matik to walang sablay. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball Liga 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 Liga. Velvet D-League Basketball Liga 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 Liga. Velvet D-League Basketball Liga 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 Liga. Velvet D-League Basketball Liga 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 Liga.
Dito sa laro, di lang puro atake. Dapat meron kang diskarte, di pwedeng makasarili. Galawang malapro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang sa Curry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinoble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na din ng mga kalaban. Na parang na modo sa ito ay nalang dikdikan to. Coast to coast, kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball Liga.
And we are back to the ball game for a second matchup para sa ating 16 under division. We have Lucas Basketball versus Laguna Hoop Dreamers. A turnover, Delgado to Capules, blocked by Martinez. Delgado to Capule with 10 seconds on the shot clock para dito sa kupunan ng Laguna Hoop Dreamers. Delgado fires a three. No good. But we have a steal from Delgado. Out of bounds, same ball, 13 seconds on the shot clock para dito sa kupunan ng Lucas. GC number 1, but we have a foul. Foul on GC number 26, Delgado. That will be his first personal and first team foul para dito sa kupunan ng Laguna Hoop Dreamers. Delgado, the leather. We have a steal by GC number 29. And De Chavez gets that basket. Steal again. Tapi ka ng bola, mapupunta sa Lucas. But we have a steal again. This time by Laguna Dreamers. Delgado to Decena. Gets that basket. Tas Badilio to Ocampo. Bigay kay Martinez. De Chavez. Back-to-back basket. And we have a steal by Casbadillo. Casbadillo lays it up. No good. Makukuha ng Laguna Hoop Dreamers. It's too strong. Another steal by Casbadillo to Martinez. Out of bounds. Bola mananatili sa kupunan ng Lucas. Ocampo to Gapas. Another steal by De Chavez. De Chavez lumipad. Follow-up is good by Casbadillo. We're now on a 7-minute mark. Gapas sa tapik ang bola. Good save pero napunta sa Laguna Hoop Dreamers. Decena on that basket. Steal by Delgado, no good. Ocampo open sa gitna. We can see back-to-back steals from the side of Lucas. And Casbadillo is fouled by GC number 2. Foul on GC number 2. Binali. May mapipituhan dito ng offensive foul. GC number 1 Martinez. GC number 1 Martinez, that's his first personal foul and first team foul para dito sa mga bata ni Coach Renz. Out of bounds, bola mananatili sa Laguna Hoop Dreamers. Dalawang. Coach! Dalawang Sino foul? Mapipituhan dito ng foul. GC number 11. Monedo. First personal foul and third team foul. Gapas on the free throw line. Misses the first one. Second shot is good for Gapas. Jokno with a steal. Mapipituhan dito si jersey number 3. Cagayat, first personal foul and a warning for penalty on the side of Laguna Hoop Dreamers. Bangunan finds Jokno. Gives the ball back to Bangunan. 3-second violation committed here by Jokno. We're now approaching the 5-minute mark of our opening quarter para dito sa Laguna Hoop Dreamers and Lucas Basketball. Bautista, that's too strong. Mapipituhan dito si jersey number 6. Escueta. First personal foul and a second team foul on the side of Lucas Basketball. Bautista lost the ball. Bangunan on the fast break is good. Lucas now has an 11-point lead against Laguna Hoop Dreamers. Another turnover para sa koponan ng Laguna Hoop Dreamers on that possession or on that play. Here comes jersey number 5. No good. Escueta pa rin ang nakakuha ng offensive rebound, but we have an offensive foul called on jersey number 6. Escueta's second personal foul and third team foul. And now Laguna Hoop Dreamers will call for a timeout to try to break that run by Lucas.
Fake sabay rekta, quick release ang banat parang sa Perry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na din ng mga kalaban. Na parang na modus ay ito ay nalang dikdikan to.
And we are back to the ball game after that timeout by LHD. Another steal. And Asigurado. Another turnover on the side of LHD with that Traveling violation. Jokno getting that ball. Jokno lays it up. And it's good. May mapipituhan dito. And the referees are in huddle. Matatawagan dito na unsportsmanlike foul for an excessive elbow. Ito si jersey number 6, ay Escueta. Out siya dito for 3 minutes and 2 shots plus ball possession para sa koponan ng LHD. First shot is missed by De Leon. Second shot, mintis pa din. But the ball will remain on the side of LHD with 14 seconds on the shot clock. Monedo to De Leon. Lays it up, no good. Coelho on the rebound. Here comes jersey number 5. We have a foul. Cagayat gets his second personal foul and a penalty for LHD. On the free throw line is jersey number 5. Palaruan. That's 2 for 2 for Palaruan. Nueva fires and gets that 3-pointer. Brought to you by GC number 12, Nieva, sorry. Mapipituan dito si Nieva. First personal foul and a penalty on the side of LHD. On the free throw line, we have jersey number 9, Asegurado. First shot is good. Two for 2 for Asegurado. Nako nito ni Palaruan. That's too strong for Palaruan. De La Cruz on the leather. Steal by Asegurado. Out of bounds. Bola mananatili sa kupunan ng LHD. Monedo to jersey number 19. Pero may mapipituhan dito. Foul on jersey number 14. That's De Leon. First personal foul and penalty for De Leon. Which will bring Jokno on the free throw line para dito sa Lucas. First shot is good. Para dito kay Liam. Two for Jokno on that free throw line, extending their lead to 18 points. And Jokno with a clutch steal as Segurado fires a three. Jokno on the follow-up is good. De Leon, wala. Reverse layup is good for Monedo. Foul on GC number 21, Banguna. That's his first personal foul and a penalty on the side of Lucas. Winner shot no good. Steal by Monedo. Last touch by Bangunan. Ball will remain on the hands of LHD. Here comes De La Cruz. No good. Monedo 2. Delgado. GC number 5. LHD ball. Delgado, 2 points. Bangunan gives the ball to Asegurado. Asegurado to Coelho. To Bangunan. Traveling violation ang itatawag dito. Kapula no good. Wala pa rin ang follow-up ni Monedo, but there's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 21, Bangunan. That will be his second personal foul, and they're on the penalty. Rillieta, first throw is no good. Monedo on that follow-up is good. Out of bounds, and it will force a timeout para dito sa kupunan ng Lucas Basketball. Official score is 27-13, 14-point lead by Lucas Basketball.
Yung mama na sa buhok ay merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bilang. May mga hamak dyan sa gedli. Silang mga watching lang na di mo dapat pakinggan. Huwag kang paiilang, pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, huwag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo. Yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo. Aminado, kahinaan di tinago ni
Line ball. Mapupunta ang possession dito sa LHD with 14 seconds to shoot. Here comes Capule. No good. Bangunan on the fast break. Bangunan. PGC number 35. 2 points. by Torres. De La Cruz. Sasagot. And a steal by De La Cruz. De La Cruz again for 2. Last 25 seconds. Torres loses that ball. And a chance for LHD to cut down the lead to 10 at least. Delgado to De La Cruz. What a pass to Relieta. 5 seconds left. Asigurado. De La Cruz misses the buzzer beater. And that's it for our first quarter. Official score is 29-19. 10-point lead by Lucas Basketball, and we will be back after the short break.
Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Sumabay, gumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Dito sa laro, di lang puro atake. Dapat meron kang diskarte, di pwedeng makasarili. Galawang malapro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang Steph Curry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala.
And we are back to the ball game. And to start at our second quarter, mapipituhan dito si Ocampo na offensive foul. First personal foul on Ocampo and first team foul para dito sa kupunan ng Lucas. Amante to De Chavez with 5 seconds to shoot. Amante didn't notice that shot clock. May mapipituhan dito. We have a steal. Pero mababawi ni Delgado to De La Cruz. Delgado nakalusot. 2 points by Delgado. Another offensive foul called on jersey number 39, Ocampo. That's his second personal foul and second team foul para dito sa kupunan ng Lucas. Para sa Lucas, no, na dineploy na dito ni Coach Renz. But before we proceed, 2 points by De La Cruz. Dineploy dito ni Coach Renz sa Lupado. Si Amante, Gapas, Ocampo, Martinez, and De Chavez to try to maintain that lead that they have. On the side of LHD, we have Monedo, De La Cruz, Relieta. We also have GC number 1 Custodio and GC number 19 Relieta and GC number 5 and GC number 5 Capule. Turnover again on the side of Lucas, but Martinez recovers, gives the ball back to Ocampo. We have a foul Foul on GC number 31. De La Cruz, second personal foul and second team foul. 2 shots para dito kay De Chavez. First shot is good.
Open pa tayo ng 12 under. Tsaka 18 ano. Hindi na lang binibigay yung kay David.
Hindi, yung 18 po, kasama sa break size. We have him inside for Lucas Basketball. Gabe Amante, who is a little brother of our city councilor in San Pablo, Councilor Ambo Amante. LHD, Capule on the ball. Points jersey number 11, Monedo De La Cruz fires at 3. No good. Then Chavez on that rebound. Chavez being challenged. Monedo to De La Cruz. Monedo. What a shot by Monedo. But wasn't able to deliver. Another steal, but we have a whistle. Foul on jersey number 39, Ocampo. Early third personal foul para dito kay Ocampo, which will force Coach Renza Lupado to replace him inside the court. Laganapan finds Capule with 4 seconds. Monedo, Laganapan. De Chavez to Martinez to Gapas, but he will be whistled for a traveling violation. Stop. Tapi ka ng bola, mapupunta pa rin kay Custodio. Gives the ball to Capule. Capule against Gapas, no good. Gasbad Villo, and we have a substitution para sa kupunan ng LHD. De Chavez, Palaruan. Gaspadillo, no good. Jump ball. And ball will remain sa kupunan ng Lucas. With 14 on the shot clock. Gaspadillo is fouled. First personal foul and 13th foul para dito sa kupunan ng LHD. Custodio with a lay is good. Mga kaligay, forgot to mention, no, that I can see the coaching staff para dito sa Lucas Basketball is one of our players during the Under-21 Intertown Basketball League for Team San Pablo. We have Rayleigh Arce, and now he's stepping up as a coach para dito sa mga bata na Lucas. And Martinez with a lay is good. De La Cruz gives the ball to jersey number 21. De La Cruz ulit. 2 points. Warning for jersey number 1, Custodio, for delaying the game. Warning for technical. Gapas couldn't deliver that pass. But we have a steal by Gaspadillo. Kaso mapipituhan tayo dito ng traveling violation. De Chavez ipapahinga dito ni Coach Renz. Going back asigurado inside. Kapule fires. No good. Kanya pa rin. Asigurado with a rebound. Palaruan. Mr. Ganapan. Palaruan. Gets the basket. Out of bounds. Ben Ali will be back inside, replacing Kapule. We have a foul on jersey number 5, Palaruan. First personal foul and a warning for penalty para dito sa mga bata ni Coach Renz. Binali on the corner, no good. Binali on the follow-up, wala pa rin. Tapi ka ng bola, mapupunta. Jump ball, same ball. Again, and of course, and of course, this league wouldn't be possible without our generous sponsors and partners. Of course, first of all, Brotherhood Barbershop is sponsoring a free haircut vouchers for every best player of the game. So, syempre, thank you, Brotherhood Barbershop by Mr. Kevin Eson. We also have A+ Muscle Recovery. We also have AG Sports Apparel by Mr. AG Cabanse. And of course, Blue Steel Enterprise. Muli, maraming salamat po for your generosity for Velvet South Basketball. We would also like to thank, of course, Cap Abet Maghirang of Barangay Santo Angel and Coach Chek Maghirang for letting us use the NHA covered court for today and tomorrow's game. And of course, we would also like to acknowledge, syempre, ang ating table officials, our Velvet South referees, our Velvet media, and of course, our league founder, Cap JJ Maghirang. Maraming salamat po. Palaruan, Lucas Badillo. Mapipituhan dito ng 3-second violation. And right after this game, hindi pa tayo tapos para sa ating 16 under division. Just right after this, we have LBDLX Armstrong Philippines versus Blue Steel San Pablo City to wrap up our 16 under division. And right after that, for our main event of the evening, we have LBDL Galleons versus AG Apparel Wild Boys for 18 under division. Kaya naman huwag kayong bibitiw mga kaliga. And a turnover again by LHD. Out of bounds. Ball remains sa Lucas Basketball. Casbadillo finds Palaruan. Palaruan spins. Palaruan gets a point. You see number 21, no good. So actually that's Abareles. You see number 21 of LA Shadia. Out of bounds. bola mapupunta sa LHD. And we have a steal by Casbadillo, pero nabawi ni Monedo ang bola. Abareles finds Nieva for 3, no good. Asigurado loses that ball, pero na-recover ni Jokno. Namali nga lang ng pasa si Liam. GC number 21, Abareles for 3. Mapapatime out dito right after that big 3-point shot on Lucas Basketball. Our official score is 40-31 in favor of Lucas Basketball with 1 minute and 46 seconds remaining time para sa ating second quarter.
Liga, liga, liga. Teka wait pare, paso mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka nang magsaga pa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tama rin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat ng makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira 3, foul, basket bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa ng set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat.
And we are now back to the ball game right after that timeout by Lucas Basketball. And I can now see also here in NHA covered court, Coach Jundel Dalangin of AG Apparel is already here. LHD ball. Abareles. GC number 12. Nieve. And we have a foul. Foul on GC number 91. Orhino. First personal foul. And a penalty on the side of Lucas Bin Ali on the free throw line. Couldn't make the first one. Jokno loses that ball to Monedo. Palaruan. Mapipituhan dito ang Lucas ng 8-second violation. One minute and 5 seconds remaining time para sa ating second quarter. Tingnan natin kung mababawasan ng LHD ang kalamangan dito ng Lucas, or will Lucas be able to extend that lead? Speaking of bawas, Abareles with a big 3-point shot brought to you by Brotherhood Barbershop. Bahri will get a foul. Foul on GC number 21, Abareles. First personal foul on Abareles and a penalty for the side of LHD. Asegurado on the free throw line. First shot miss. Second shot is good for Asegurado. Bautista. Matatawagan dito ng backcourt violation si jersey number 31 Bautista. Steal by LHD, Abareles. 2 points. As you can see, Abareles was really a key player or really instrumental para mahabol ng LHD ang kalamangan na yan ng Lucas Basketball. Bautista misses. Last 10 seconds. Bautista fakes. Bautista 2 points. And that's it for second quarter. Ending it with a 41-38 3-point lead by Lucas Basketball. And we will be back after the short break.
Ay nalandigdikan to, coast to coast. Kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, liga, liga,
Come
liga.
and bounce the ball, ikat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na ngay street ballin', determinado sa laro, wicked never fallen. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako, kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, di wait ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo ang tikas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli lahat tayo ay mananalo. Kahit mag-beast mode, appear lahat ng manlalaro.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman sugapa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tama rin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat ng makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira tres, foul, basket bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Pagkapasa ng bola, bigla ang naging bida. Sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. Opensang parang yung kalbo na laging nakalabas dila. Depensang parang yung mama na sa buhok merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bila. May mga hamak dyan sa gedli. Silang mga watching lang na di mo dapat pakinggan. Huwag kang paiilang, pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, wag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo. Yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo. Aminado, kahinaan di tinago. Niyakap ang pagbabago, nakinig sa mga payo. At dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig. Nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip. Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet Dilig.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay sabay dumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
And we are now back for a third quarter for this matchup against LHD and Lucas. As we can see, napalitan na, napunta na sa ang kalamangan sa kapunan ng LHD. Let's see how Lucas Basketball and Coach Renz will react on that back-to-back three-point shot by Abareles. Rather. And a steal, Abareles again. 2 points. Angat sa 7 ang kalamangan dito ng LHD. De Chavez. In and out. Out of bounds, mapapabalik dito sa LHD ang bola. Coach Renz has deployed De Chavez. Bangunan. Ocampo. Martinez and Gapas inside. Para naman dito sa LHD. We have Monmedo, Abareles, Bautista, Ben Ali, and Nieva inside for Laguna Dreamers. What a run there by LHD. Let's see kung paano ang gagawin dito ng mga bata ng Lucas. But there's another turnover on the side of Lucas, and Monmedo gets that basket. Then Chavez attacking. No good. Martinez finally answering right after that run by LHD. A turnover on the side of LHD. Casmadillo will get back inside, replacing De Chavez. And Ocampo getting that point. Monmedo. Backcourt violation. Never mind. Bunutin mo to, Toy. Thank you. Abareles fires another 3. Pero may mapipituhan dito si Martinez. for his second personal foul and first team foul on the side of Lucas. Hanap dito na mapapasan. Barreles. Miscommunication there. Out of bounds. Mananatili sa LHD ang bola. Barreles. Gives the ball to Relieta. Back to Barreles. Fix. 3 seconds violation. Mula kay Dicena, which will force a turnover in favor of Lucas. Palaruan. Lucas Badillo gets that basket. May kasama pang foul. Foul on jersey number 29, Dicena. First personal foul and second team foul. As we can see, papahinga dito ni Coach si Barreles after that run. Out of bounds. Bola mapupunta ngayon dito sa LHD. And we have a steal by Martinez. Pero matatawagan siya dito ng offensive foul. That's his third personal foul and second team foul. De La Cruz lays it up, no good. Ocampo on the fast break. Yes, sir. Mabasa isang kalamangan ng LHD. Natapik ni Martinez, but the ball will stay with LHD. Natapik ulit ni Ocampo. Ocampo is fouled. Foul on jersey number 11, Monedo. Third personal foul and 13 foul on the side of LHD. And Ocampo. We have a deadlock of 50. And now, lamang na muli ng isa ang Lucas. Another steal brought to us by Ocampo. And LHD will be forced to call a timeout. 53-50 in favor of Lucas Basketball. Pass Badillo, no good. Agawan ng bola. The ball will remain on Lucas' side. Bangunan. Meron tayong foul. Foul on jersey number 31, De La Cruz. That will be his third personal foul. Any warning for penalty? Ten seconds to shoot. Ocampo fires a yes, sir. 3 points by Ocampo. Relieta. Jump ball, same ball. Substitution. Out of bounds. Last touch by Delgado. Cake ball. Mananatili ang bola sa Lucas. Bangunan gives the ball to Casbadillo. It's fouled. Foul on jersey number 11. Monedo. That's his 4th personal foul. Warning for graduate penalty. Dala ka motor. Bili tayong tubig sa dali. Wala tayong tubig. Yung maliliit na 24 pieces. Isang ganun lang, oh. Eva to the corner, no good. Out of bounds. Kapule nakalisod, gets that basket. Ocampo to Casbadillo, fires a long one. No good, but follow-up is good. May kasama pang foul. Foul on jersey number 12. Second personal foul and penalty for Nieva. Bonus shot para kay Torres. No good. Delgado to Custodio. Gives the ball back to Custodio. Delgado with 8 seconds to shoot. Loses that ball. Here comes Martinez. Dire-diretso, no good, but follow-up is good for Casbadillo. Abareles. 2. Kapule. Delgado. We have a steal by Ocampo. Yes, sir. Steal again. And we have a foul. Foul on jersey number 21. Abareles, that will be his second personal foul. Penalty. First shot is good para dito kay Palaruan. Two for two for Palaruan. Abareles, masyadong malakas ang pasang yun, which will force a turnover para dito sa LHD. Ocampo is fouled. Abareles, that will be his third personal foul and a penalty on the side of LHD. Tatlo, right? Too soon. And we can see after that, the route from Lucas, they were able to recover and gain a big 16-point lead against LHD. And a miscommunication again on the side of LHD, causing another turnover in favor, of course, of Lucas. Caspadillo. There's a whistle for a traveling violation against Caspadillo. Those turnovers by LHD really helped. Etong Lucas gained their momentum once again. And may mapipituhan dito ng foul. Foul on jersey number 12, Nieve. That will be his third personal foul and a penalty. As I was saying, those turnovers by LHD really helped Lucas to gain their momentum and establish a 16-point lead against LHD. Also, those steals from Lucas, nagawa nilang makalamang ng 16, and ngayon we can see a 17-point lead because of that free throw from Palaruan. And as you can see, medyo nalulugi when it comes to rebounds itong LHD dito sa third quarter. Speaking of steal, Palaruan with another steal. But there's a miscommunication on the side of Lucas for that one. De La Cruz almost lost the ball. But Monedo is there. Capule, bibitaw ng tres. Yes, sir! Ocampo, sasagot din! Yes, sir! Back-to-back 3 points from both sides. Sagutan ng tres. And we have a steal from Ocampo. Jokno lays it up. Yes, sir! .40 left para sa ating third quarter. De La Cruz loses that ball. But possession will remain sa kupunan ng LHD. Mapipituhan dito ng foul. De Chavez. First personal foul and 13 foul for De Chavez. Babalik na dito ng LHD si Decena. Munedo with 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. We have a steal once again by Ocampo. Steal once again. At mapipituhan ba dito ng foul si De La Cruz. Fourth personal foul and a warning for graduate for jersey number 31, De La Cruz. Sending Fernandez on the free throw line. First shot, kapos. Second shot, wala pa rin. Last 5 seconds. Maagawan muli dito ang LHD. And Lucas will be able to secure a 21-point lead at the end of this third quarter. 76-55. 21-point lead by Lucas.
Hoops ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga, 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 Liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga, 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 Liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga, 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 Liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga, Liga, Liga,
Come
Liga.
and bounce the ball, likat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na ngay street ballin'. Determinado sa laro, we can never fallin'. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape.
And we are now back to the ball game, starting off with our fourth and final quarter. Jock on the follow-up, Jock on the rebound rather. And he is fouled. Foul on jersey number 2, Bin Ali. That will be his third personal foul and first team foul on the side of LHD. 2 shots para dito kay Jokno. First shot, no good. Second shot is good para dito kay Jokno. Extending the lead of Lucas to 24. 3 seconds violation on called on GC number 8. Out of bounds. Bola mapupunta dito sa LHD. Mapipituhan dito ng traveling si jersey number 16. laganapan. Bangunan on the letter. Bangunan uses the ball. Bautista for 2. Bangunan gives the ball to GC number 26 and he is blocked, 25 rather, but he is blocked. 12 seconds on the shot clock para dito sa Lucas. De Chavez sa atake. Wala. Foul on GC number 6. Escueta warning for graduate and a second team foul. We have a foul. Foul on GC number 6. 5 fouls. And we will not be seeing Escueta anymore for the rest of this ball game against LHD. Nakalima na siya ngayong araw. Bawi na lang next game. First of all, laganapan is no good. Second shot, that's too strong. Gapas to De Chavez is fouled. Foul on jersey number 2. Ben Ali. Ben Ali warning for graduate. Second team foul. Shoutout nga pala kay Mr. James Arjen Rayones. De Chavez on the free throw line. Second shot is good. Custodio on the letter. And we have a foul. Foul on jersey number 78, Amante. That will be his first personal foul. And a warning for penalty on the side of Lucas. Another three-point shot by Abareles. And a steal after that three-point shot. Abareles lays it up. No good. Tapi ka ng bola, mapapapunta pa rin sa LHD. Abareles back-to-back 3 points by GC number 21. Aldrich Vince Abareles. Out of bounds. Mapapapunta ang bola sa LHD. Bautista with a steal by Ocampo. Ocampo nagmamadali. Gets that basket. But before this game ends, we would like to acknowledge and thank our sponsors. First of all, syempre, ang Brotherhood Barbershop who will sponsor a gift voucher or a free haircut voucher for our best players of the game per division. So thank you, Brotherhood Barbershop by Mr. Kevin Eson, A+ Muscle Recovery, AG Sports Apparel, and of course ang Blue Steel Enterprise. Natapik ni Abareles ang bola. And the ball will remain sa kupunan ng Lucas. We'd also like to acknowledge, of course, our table officials, our Velvet South referees, our Velvet Media Production, and of course, our league founder, Cap JJ Maghirang, who's with us here tonight sa NHA Covered Court. Mapipituhan dito ng traveling violation ang kupunan ng LHD. And Lucas still enjoying a big 19-point lead against LHD. Pero mahaba pa to, mahaba 5 minuto pa nalalabi para sa ating fourth quarter. Let's see how LHD will react or will strategize to try to cut that lead and eventually get the lead on their favor. A big block by Martinez on that play. Monedo's in trouble. Rillieta. Abareles, what a pass. That's too strong. Abareles with 3 seconds in and out. Martinez to Coelho. Amantes foul. Sorry, Amantes whistle for foul. Second personal foul for Amante. And penalty on the side of Lucas. Second shot, no good. De La Cruz on the follow-up, wala pa rin. Agawan sa tatlong magkakampi. Abareles fires another 3. This time too strong. Ocampo. Amante, hindi niya na-avoid. That pass from Ocampo. On the side of Lucas, Ocampo has been really doing his part for his team with those steals and points. Amante gets that basket. But we have a foul on Gabe Amante. That will be his third and a penalty for Lucas basketball. Second shot is good. Amante loses the ball. Who's foul, ref? Sino daw? Si Gapas. Ilan na si Gapas? The foul will be whistled on Gapas. First personal foul and a penalty. First shot is good for De La Cruz. 2 for 2 for De La Cruz. As I was saying kanina, Ocampo's contribution has really played a big part when it comes to maintaining Lucas's lead against LHD. Four seconds on the shot clock para dito sa opponent ng Lucas. Torres for 2. Bautista answering back. Martinez loses that ball. Foul on jersey number 1, Martinez. Martinez warning for graduate and a penalty on the side of Lucas. Cagayat first shot is good. Second shot wala. Bautista on the follow-up. Wala pa rin. Dicena. Ayaw talaga. Martinez on the rebound. Foul on jersey number 29, Dicena. That will be second personal foul and 13th foul. Kung dito sa side ng Lucas, we have Ocampo who's been very instrumental in maintaining that lead. For Lucas, we have on the side of LHD, we have jersey number 1. We like to highlight jersey number 1, Abareles, on his efforts to try to cutting down that lead by Lucas with his outside shots and inside attacks. He was really able to contribute a chunk of scores or chunk of efforts para sa side ng LHD. Delgado, nali. Dicena, that's too strong. Matatawagan dito sa jersey number 31, Bautista. First personal foul and a warning for penalty on the side of LHD. Martinez finds Gapas. 2 points. Long one. Last 2 minutes para sa ating fourth and final quarter. Bautista fires. No good. Out of bounds. Steal again. Steal again by Lucas. Here comes Torres to Fernandez. Delgado on the letter. One minute, Fernandez for 2. Delgado. Matatapik dito ni Fernandez. 16 seconds on the shot clock para dito sa LHD. "35 seconds. 30 seconds para sa LHD. Delgado. Uh, 10 seconds remaining. And that's it for our ball game. And our winner of the night for his second 16-under matchup, we have Lucas Basketball, and our Player of the game is none other than jersey number 39, Francis Ocampo. And we will be back after the short break. Let's witness ang bakbakan sa pagitan ng LBDL Armstrong Philippines and Blue Steel San Pablo City. Where's my pattern? Bukas, luluhod ang mga tayo. Nasa nakakan abang. Ocampo!
Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paligan na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Come and bounce the ball, likat sumabay.